Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth and devices setting in our vivo phone device. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you pair your Bluetooth earphones. Guys, you have got the same earphones and guys I have got this Ubon company earphone and guys I want to pair with my vivo phone. So guys, how will I pair? And guys now let's see how to pair it. So first of all guys, open your phone setting without waste time to pair your Bluetooth earphones. Then guys you can see your Bluetooth and devices settings. So guys tap here and guys click on your Bluetooth option and you will have to on your Bluetooth. So friends we will on it and guys you can see guys pair your device. So as before click here guys first of all on your Bluetooth earphones. So as you can see guys this blue light means it's on and guys you want to pair, yes we want to pair, so guys click on pair new device and guys with refresh. So after refresh guys you can see guys your earphone name. So guys as I have got this Ubon CL20 earphone, so guys I will click it and guys you can see this notification it's pairing. Then guys it will pair after 3 and 4 seconds. Then guys you can see paired, it has paired and in use for call media. Battery guys you want to check your Bluetooth earphone battery. So guys you can check 80% battery I have and guys you can guys pick up call from here and guys you can attend your call. So I hope friends you have understood how to pair Bluetooth earphones to our vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.